Welcome, developers. In today's tutorial, we embark on an in-depth exploration into the synergy of AWS Lambda and the powerful Psycopg2 library. And by the end of this video, you'll not only establish a valid connection to PostgreSQL using Psycopg2 on Lambda but also gain insights into the rich history behind these tools. Let's embark on this enlightening journey. Psycopg2 history. Psycopg2, born out of the Python community's need for a reliable PostgreSQL adapter, has a storied history. Developed by Daniele Verrazzo, Psycopg2 has grown into a robust and widely adopted tool for Python developers interacting with PostgreSQL databases. Its journey, marked by continuous improvement and community collaboration, showcases the power of open-source development. From its early days to becoming a de facto choice, Psycopg2 stands as a testament to the vibrant collaboration within the Python ecosystem. Let's shift our focus to AWS Lambda, a pivotal player in the realm of serverless computing. Introduced by Amazon Web Services, Lambda disrupted traditional server-based architectures. It allows developers to execute code without the need to provision or manage servers. Lambda revolutionized how we approach scalability and cost-effectiveness in modern cloud computing. Whether handling microservices, event-driven applications, or back-end tasks, Lambda has become an integral part of the developer toolkit. Why do developers choose Psycopg2 on Lambda? The answer lies in its seamless integration with Python and robust support for PostgreSQL. Psycopg2 is optimized for performance, providing an efficient bridge between Python applications and PostgreSQL databases. Its compatibility with Lambda environments makes it a natural choice for developers building serverless applications. Beyond performance, Psycopg2 offers ease of use, making database interactions on Lambda straightforward and reliable. Implementation way of PostgreSQL CRUD on Lambda. Now, let's transition to the practical side. We'll walk through the implementation of PostgreSQL CRUD operations on Lambda using Psycopg2. Setting up your Lambda function, installing Psycopg2 using Lambda layer, securely handling environment variables, and writing CRUD operations, all essential steps. This hands-on implementation not only reinforces theoretical concepts but also empowers you to confidently leverage Psycopg2 within your Lambda functions. Demonstration: PostgreSQL CRUD on Lambda. Let's bring theory into practice. As we delve into live coding, we have a Lambda function set up, ready to interact with a PostgreSQL database using Psycopg2. Watch closely as we establish a connection, perform create, read, update, and delete operations, and handle potential challenges along the way. This real-world demonstration ensures you grasp the nuances of implementing Psycopg2 on Lambda for CRUD operations, setting you on a path to effective database interactions in serverless environments. Basically, AWS use cases, RDS would be first choice for the developers, and regarding the connection performance, should use RDS proxy also. As we conclude this in-depth exploration of establishing a valid connection to PostgreSQL using Psycopg2 on Lambda, take a moment to appreciate the synergy between two powerful tools. Psycopg2's rich history and Lambda's revolutionary serverless architecture offer developers a robust solution for building scalable and efficient applications. If you found this tutorial insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.